You have to take the wrapping paper off. Yeah, tear the wrapping paper off. Here, you have to like tear it all off. Like take this wrapping paper and tear it off. There you go. All right, keep going. Keep tearing it off. Yep. All right. Oh, look at that! It's a little piano. Hooray! Here, do you want to play it? Oh, apparently it doesn't. To take it out of the box.